CloudGarden Bio-Decomposing Bacteria, Organic Waste Solution. Transform your garden waste into nutrient-rich compost with CloudGarden Bio-Decomposing Bacteria. Specially formulated with a blend of powerful, naturally occurring bacteria, this product accelerates the decomposition process of organic waste, turning it into valuable compost for your plants. Key features: advanced decomposition, contains a potent mix of bacterial strains that break down organic material quickly and efficiently, reducing waste and producing high-quality compost. 100% natural and safe. Made with environmentally friendly ingredients, CloudGarden Bio. Decomposing bacteria is safe for plants, soil, and the environment. Versatile use. Ideal for use in compost bins, garden beds, and any organic waste collection area. Suitable for both home gardeners and professional landscapers. Easy to apply. Simply mix the recommended amount with water and spray onto your organic waste pile. The bacteria will get to work immediately, breaking down the material and eliminating foul odors. Promotes healthy soil. The compost produced is rich in essential nutrients, enhancing soil fertility and promoting healthy plant growth. Usage instructions. Step 1. Mix 10 milliliters of CloudGarden Bio-Decomposing Bacteria with 1 liter of water. Step 2. Evenly spray the solution over your organic waste pile. Step 3. Repeat the application every 2 weeks to maintain an active decomposition process. Step 4. Turn the pile regularly to ensure even composting. Why choose CloudGarden? CloudGarden is committed to providing high-quality, sustainable gardening solutions. Our bio-decomposing bacteria is the perfect choice for eco-conscious gardeners looking to reduce waste and improve soil health naturally.